So every time I go on social media, all I see is people eating. So I'm gonna see if I can eat gracefully, as gracefully as some people do, eating pea soup. It's kind of chilly in my house today, so I thought I'd warm it up by eating something warm. So let's see. I think you're supposed to bring the spoon to your lips. Yep, that's what you do. So if you want to see me eat pea soup, I guess this is how people do it. At least I'm not eating with my hands. Let's try it one more time. This is as graceful as I could possibly get. Actually, I think you're supposed to scoop it backwards. Maybe. All right. This is me eating on social media.